Hi, I'm Aaron Merch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at Klaviyo's Shopify integration. Most merchants can see at a glance that the Klaviyo app allows Shopify and Klaviyo to talk to each other, but I often get asked about the specific capabilities of the app beyond just allowing the two platforms to communicate. The most basic, and in many cases most important feature of the app is syncing newsletter signups in real time. The Klaviyo Shopify integration automatically integrates with Shopify's built-in signup form. This means that you can add newsletter signups to Klaviyo without having to create a custom signup form in Klaviyo itself. In addition to collecting newsletter signups, the Klaviyo Shopify integration also allows for advanced web tracking. Active on-site tracking is enabled by default, and viewed product tracking can be enabled with the installation of a simple code snippet. If you're on the Shopify Plus plan, the Klaviyo Shopify integration can also capture SMS consent when your users check out. Once you connect Klaviyo and Shopify, the platform will begin automatically syncing your existing customer data with your mailing lists. Overall, these functions combine to allow you to send extremely targeted campaigns, as well as automated flows for abandoned cart reminders, browse abandonment, and even follow-up reviews. The Klaviyo Shopify integration allows for extremely robust data transfer between the two platforms with just a simple app install. If you're an e-commerce store planning a long-term email marketing strategy, the Klaviyo Shopify integration is the best place to start.